Sabi ni All Around TV, kapag search warrant po ba biglaan talaga? Wala kang mare-receive na anything at sa search warrant ba fiscal dapat naka-identify sa warrant kung saan part ng bahay lang sila pwede mag-search. So you have 3 questions here, no? Let us answer the first question. Kapag search warrant po ba biglaan talaga? Biglaan po in the sense na of course hindi po ipapaalam sa taong sini-search yung planong pag-search ng pulis, no? Kasi pag nakakaalam yung target, then he might escape or he might conceal, no, whatever possible evidence the police might find against him. So biglaan talaga in that sense because walang search na magiging successful kung hindi biglaan. But hindi siya biglaan din in the sense na yung mga police officers natin or mga law enforcement agents natin, they will have to apply first for the issuance of a search warrant. Tapos ang court ang magdidetermine kung meron bang probable cause for the issuance of a search warrant. Pag meron probable cause, based on the evidence submitted by the police, then the court will accordingly issue a search warrant, giving them 10 days. 10 days within which they should implement the search. After 10 days po, wala na pong visa po yung search warrant. Another thing, hindi po pwedeng i-implement ang search warrant during nighttime. During daytime lang po pwedeng i-implement ang search warrant. Magiging invalid po yung search pag sa gabi in-implement ang search warrant. Tapos another thing, kailangan na po na nakasuot ng body-worn camera yung mga implementing police officers, no? Magiging void po yung search warrant pag hindi sila nag-follow ng rules on the use of body-worn camera and alternative recording device as mandated po by our Supreme Court. Sa second na tanong mo, at sa search warrant ba fiscal, dapat naka-identify sa warrant kung saan part ng bahay lang sila pwede mag-search? Yes po. Requirement po yan ng ating constitution na the place to be searched as well as the things to be seized must be specifically stated in the search warrant. Yun lang pong nakalagay sa search warrant, yun lang pong dapat maging subject ng search. Hindi po sila pwedeng kumuha ng ibang item na wala dun sa search warrant. And the place to be searched must be identified po. Hindi po enough na pag nakalagay sa search warrant na you are hereby commanded to search the house of Pedro. If that is the tenor of the search warrant, invalid po yan dahil hindi po specified kung anong part ng bahay nakalagay yung alleged contraband. So dapat naka-specified po talaga. Kasi pag nag-apply po ng search warrant yung police, they are required to submit a sketch plan of the place that they are going to search. Meron talagang doon, nakalagay kung saan yung bedroom A, bedroom B, comfort room, living room. So specified po talaga.